Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are embarking on a journey to Bregenz, Austria to experience the world-famous Bregenzer Festspiele. This incredible festival, held every summer since 1946, is famous for its spectacular opera performances on the world's largest floating stage on Lake Constance. This year we are here to see their Freischütz, a classic of German romantic opera. Bregenz, the capital of Vorarlberg, is beautifully situated on the eastern shores of Lake Constance. This picturesque town has a rich history dating back to 1500 BC, when it was first settled by the Celts. Later, it became a significant Roman camp known as Brigantium. Today, Bregenz is a cultural hub with a vibrant art scene. Now it's time for the highlight of our trip, the Bregenzer Festspiele. Founded in 1946, this festival is famous for its spectacular opera performances on the world's largest floating stage. Each summer, the festival attracts visitors from all over the world. This year, Der Freischütz by Karl Maria von Weber is the featured opera. Der Freischütz is a German romantic opera that first premiered in Berlin in 1821. It's known for its emotional and gripping music, telling the story of Max, a young hunter who makes a pact with the devil to win a shooting contest and secure his love, Agathe. This milk bar, called Milk Mushroom, is one of the main sites here in Bregenz. It was opened in 1953 and remains the most nostalgic milk bar here in the region. In Bregenz there is a great opportunity to take a boat tour on Lake Constance. And here we have the timetable for the afternoon for today. There are two boats to Constance. The town, a German town that is situated on the opposite shore of the lake. The tour to Constance from Bregenz takes roughly 4 hours. Bregenzer Festspiele organizers offer guided tours during the day, and I really recommend you take those tours because they are really interesting. You will get to know not only the history of Bregenzer Festspiele, but also experience the backstage and see all the secrets of the stage and the performance in the evening. Now, if you are planning to visit Bregenz, getting here is quite easy. If you are traveling by public transportation, you can take a train to Bregenz from all major cities around this area, from Vienna, from Zurich, and also from Munich. The train station is just a short walk from the city center and the festival venue. But if you prefer driving, Bregenz is also quite conveniently located near A14 motorway. There are also several parking options available in the city, but be sure you arrive quite early during the day, especially during the festival season, as parking can fill up really very quickly in Bregenz. One of the must-see historical landmarks here in Bregenz is the city center and its St. Martin's Tower, a Baroque gem that offers panoramic views of the city. As we wander through the old town, you'll notice the medieval city walls that have stood the test of time. We're heading up to Pfänder Mountain via the cable car. This ride offers breathtaking views of Lake Constance and the surrounding Alps, a must-do when visiting Bregenz. From the top of Pfänder, you can see across the lake into Germany on the right-hand side and Switzerland on the left-hand side. It's a fantastic spot for hiking or simply enjoying the stunning scenery. Thanks a lot for joining me on this amazing adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Bregenzer Festspiele or what your favorite opera was. Until next time, happy travels!